go, time to send it on Kondaa. I'm sat with a familiar face from Coaster Force.
I'm Serena from Coaster Force.
Yeah, I spotted the hoodie. She's wearing a Bolivian hoodie.
That's right.
God Almighty. Right, here we go. My first ever ride in Kondaa. Apparently, it's better than Tataris. Here we go. Woo! Oh! Woo! Bloody hell! Airtime! Woo! Ah! Woo! Oh my God! Oh yeah! Woo! This is the non-inverting Cobra roll. Oh wow! Oh, it's so graceful! Woo! Oh, this is awesome! Wow! I can't see a thing though. Whoa! Woo! Woo! Little bunny hills now. Woo! Oh yeah! Saying it right now, it's not a top 10.
Oh,
no,
okay.
not as good as Taron. Nowhere near as good as Taron.
You need to ride it in the back.
On the back,
Yeah.
I'll do the back next.
Yeah.
Was there much queue for the normal line? Because I can't use that again now. It's only one. Yeah, it's walk on.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll go around again. Back row next time. Right, so we're now on the very back. I actually wanted the row in front because you obviously can't see a lot, and I have got you in horizon lock because I just realised I don't think anyone's done a horizon lock POV on here. Not like you got to see anything anyway. Just enjoy the view. It's so smooth though. Here we go. Bloody hell! Oh! Oh! Airtime! Not so much. Woo! 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 It's not as smooth on the back compared to the front. Yeah, this bit's pointless. Yeah. Here we go, Kondaa in the rain. Oh no. This is going to be horrible. Horrible. Oh no. I thought I had to do it for the last ride. This has got to be fast. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God! Woo! Oh wow! Ejector! I can't see anything! Ah! Oh my God! Woo! Ah! Woo! Oh my eyes! Ah! Oh! Ah! God! Ow! Whoa! Ah! I've got my eyes closed! Oh! Ow! Ah! Oh God! Oh! Ow! Ow! That's all I can say about that. Oh my God! I had my eyes closed most of that. There was one bit of rain hit me there on my head. It's really painful. Yeah, it's good in the rain. It's fast.